Assalamu alaikum. I am Namoodeh Sahar, PhD scholar at National Institute of Psychology, Quaid-e-Azam University, Islamabad. The poster I will be presenting today, titled Hybrid Learning During COVID-19 Assessing Students' Problem. It is co-authored by Nabihah Hassan and Muhammad Sarosh Muneeb. On to the introduction, we see that COVID-19 pandemic bring along a significant psychosocial impact on people around the globe, no matter which field of life they belong to. It is also evident that the students face high level of anxiety and stress during these situations. The Education Ministry of Pakistan introduced tele-school system for school and colleges. However, for university students, the online lecture delivery mode was adopted through Zoom and Google Meet. Till September, the online learning continues, and as soon as the situation somehow become under control of COVID-19 cases, the hybrid learning system was introduced, that is a blend of classroom and online learning system. Now the literature indicates that the situation of pandemic has been very challenging for students and increases the level of anxiety and stress among them. And a recently conducted study indicate that majority of students consider hybrid learning system as unfavorable, which might be contributing in the anxiety and stress they are facing. However, no such study had been conducted yet in Pakistan through the though the issue is of significant importance and need to be addressed for future betterment. Also, the finding of the present study thus could help improve the hybrid learning system by addressing the problems faced by the students introduced by this newly adapted system. So the basic objective of the study is to identify the problems faced by the students during this newly adapted hybrid learning system. This objective was accomplished through using semi-structured interviews comprising of non-formalized open-ended questions, basically asking about the students on what problems they were facing during the hybrid mode of their classes. The sample comprised of 50 Pakistani students from the capital city of Islamabad and 5 different provinces, that are Punjab, Sindh, Balochistan, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa and Gilgit-Baltistan. The mean age of the students is 24.3 years. Basically, now getting on to the results indicate different problems highlighted by the students along with the number of students that mentioned those problems as the frequencies. The chart indicate the problems identified by them along with their frequencies. The basic problems highlighted here are burden of studies, ineffective learning, reliance on the devices, and some students also mentioned that they don't afford to have their personal computers or smartphones and Android phones to access their online classes, so they are having difficulty to join the online class mode. The poor attention is also mentioned as a basic problem. High screen exposure was mentioned as a problem, and students also mentioned that due to high screen exposure they also face headaches and eyesight issues. They also highlighted that poor communication has been observed between teachers and their all other class fellows, so they don't understand the lectures very well and also don't able to grasp the assignments and quizzes assigned to them. So the poor communication was also highlighted as a major problem by a number of students. Lack of seriousness was also observed by different students that were interviewed, and they highlighted that they lack interest and motivation level which they have in classroom settings as compared to the hybrid mode of learning. The lack of understanding was also mentioned as a very significant problem, and there are students mention a number of contributing factors behind that lack of understanding that also associate with connectivity issues or the burden of studies and ineffective learning, or at times they could not be able to join the classes due to any family commitments or the absence of devices of their own. So the lack of understanding of the lectures was also mentioned as the key issue. Also, some students mention that the hybrid mode of learning is very time taking, and we cover very less topics and lectures during that hybrid mode, because basically the students suffer a lot of different technological related issues also, and sometimes the teachers also face the technological related issues, due to which the hybrid mode of learning seems very time taking. Also, the improper place at home to take classes has been observed by the students, and they say that this also contribute in ineffectivity to learn during the hybrid mode. And then the no routine and low motivation internet connectivity issue was also discussed by the students, and no routine regarding the lack of routine in the classes. They indicated that their classes were basically unscheduled, and due to technological or internet connectivity issues, the classes were scheduled again and again at different time by the teachers, and there was no proper timetable or scheduled classes for hybrid learning mode due to different technological issues or connectivity problems or any specific student or teacher personal problems. So it was also a major contributor to add in their problems. Some students also mention that they don't experience any significant problem related to hybrid learning system, and they were completely satisfied with the hybrid learning system, as during the pandemic and lockdown situation it was the only way to resume their studies in an effective manner. So they are satisfied with their newly adopted hybrid learning system, and don't share any problem when asked about it. The in conclusion, the key problem mentioned by the students were lack of proper understanding, feeling miscommunicated with the teacher, and poor internet connectivity issues. It was also highlighted by the studies conducted earlier during the COVID-19 pandemic. Patients of the studies that the hybrid learning system could be very helpful if for the students in the today's digital world, but the problems that students have faced contribute as a major hindrance and obstacle during these hybrid learning systems and hybrid learning mode. So addressing the problems of the student could help foster the level of studies. Policymakers could also use the study findings to address the problems faced by the students and ensure effectiveness of hybrid learning system. So that's all from my side, and thank you so much.